Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tech Motoring. Well, I went ahead and did it. I bought another EV. Yeah, I know. Well, this one's a little different though. Check it out. Oh, sorry, hold on. Check it out. Oh, that's not gonna work. Okay, that's better. So what I have here is the Segway Ninebot KickScooter Max. This is the top of the line model for Segway's electric scooter brand. This thing is massive, as you can see. The cool feature with these is they're actually foldable, so we'll be able to actually fold this up and carry it really easily. This thing looks pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and unbox it and take it for a quick ride. So a couple things. First, as you can see, max speed 18.5 miles per hour, a 40-mile range on this, has a built-in headlight in it, dual braking system. It actually has a regenerative braking system and a mechanical braking system built in. Let's get to unboxing this right now. Alright, well, we actually might have to do this on the floor, so let's readjust. Okay, there we go, that's better. Alright, so let's see how this gets shoved into a box. Alright, so what do we have here? We have some, looks like instruction manuals and some tools there, so we'll go over that a little later. We got a power cord, so you actually don't even have to carry a brick around with you. You can actually just have a straight power cord. Nice. This looks like a extension for the air valve for the blowing up your tires. Put that there. All right, that comes off pretty easily. Let's see, I have that too. All right. Okay. Let's see here. All right, there's that. A bit of styrofoam, some plastic. All right, couple screws in there. All right, well, let's take it out of the box. See what we got. Easier said than done. Yes, okay. All right, so you probably can't see this right now, so let's bring you down a little bit. All right. Looks like what we're going to need is a couple of screws to secure this in here. So let's take a look at our bag here. Yeah, looks like there we are. So let's see. Quick start guide, limited warranty guide, oh, and a user manual. I didn't think they still use those things. Okay, so basically it just says to start like pretty much with what we did to latch this into, because this actually folds. Just turn this out. This folds down like so, in that sort of fashion. So we're just going to leave that up and it locked, and that little safety mechanism there. Looks like we got about 6 screws here. All right, that is simple enough. Let's just see if they say anything else before we jump on here. All right, put the screws in, verify that your KickScooter can be powered on and off. So we're going to hit this button here. Okay, yep, it looks like it's on. And it's beeping. Until activated, the KickScooter remains very low riding speed and cannot be ridden with full function. Install the app on your mobile device. Connect the scooter with Bluetooth and follow the app instructions. Alright, well that is going to require me to have my phone. Alright, so as soon as you get in, you log in, make an account. You basically just hit search vehicle, and what it does is it just looks for a vehicle using Bluetooth. And there it is, it already popped up. We're going to hit OK. The beeps change there. And it says press short to pair. Press the button. Short press the power button to pair. Oh, looks like we got some headlight action there. And please activate the device. Oh, it's showing me a short video clip of somebody who got injured. All right, pretty cool. So we are set up. It says we can start riding. It says I have a 61% battery. It says about 24.6 miles of range currently on that 61%. That's pretty impressive. It's okay. Just said there's a new firmware, so I guess I'm going to be downloading firmware real quick. Okay, I think we are good to go. We updated the firmware, got it connected to the phone through Bluetooth, got it all together, learned about how all this works. Charging port is right here. Really, there's not much else to do. Found out there's a bell. Well, what do we do from here? What should we do? What shall be the next step? Still light outside. Let's go for a ride. Oh, wait, I need the scooter too, don't I? All right, there we go.
Alright, just got back from a long ride. First impressions, that's a ton of fun. Let me tell you something, this thing goes to almost 20 miles an hour. Yeah, this thing cruises pretty good. It's almost scary sometimes. But yeah, I could definitely see why people use these to commute back and forth to work. They're very efficient, they're very quick, very easy to get in and out of traffic. Yeah, this is fun. Anyway, stay tuned. Future episodes, we're going to do a full review of this Segway scooter. So if you're interested in it, stay tuned to that. Until then, you can catch us on Twitter at TechMotoring, techmotoring.com, our website, and facebook.com/techmotoring. Always remember, welcome to the future, and welcome to Tech Motoring. We'll see you on the next episode.